So I've been having a lot of fun with the Air65 Freestyle. As you can see, it's suffered some damage. In fact, the frame, the main spar broke on the back where you can see all the tape and a little bit of heat shrink, but also if you look in there, it's broken. It's broken there. You've still got 3 points, which is, you got 4-point contact, which is fine, but the casing is snapped a bit on the inside there. I thought I had a loose wire for a moment, but then I realised, of course, it's just the ELRS aerial. So very happy with this. As I say, the main purpose is to try and get my hours up with Acro to get more comfortable for outdoor flying. Okay, so the main change, this is my boxer, when I'm flying the Air65 indoors, is to go into Tools, Express LRS, and I have to change that because when I fly outside with my longer range drones, I fly at 150 Hertz as a packet rate. With the Air65 came at 250 and I don't feel like changing it, so I just go in here and change it here. So I've got to remember to do that. And the other thing is, if I have it in Acro mode to start, I get a switch warning. So I turn it on and then flick it to Acro before I take off. And that's the prep to fly the little guy indoors. Okay, so I've got it with the adapter to plug into the USB port. And just going to go to the new computer. And there, and that should bring up Betaflight, which it does. Okay, so I'll just show some of the changes I've made to it. So here's a quick look at how I set things up in Betaflight. So plug the drone in, and it comes up. When it comes to the most important thing is the pitching. What you'll notice compared to the defaults, I've dumbed it down quite a bit. But the really important thing is the rate profile settings. And over here, I've gone for scale, and I've gone right down to 65 as the throttle limit. So I've got the performance linear, but I've limited how fast it'll go. Also, I'm not sure if these are the defaults, but I've smoothed this out a bit. I really don't like an abrupt change to the roll pitch or yaw at the end of the travel, so a little bit flat in the middle, and that's what I want for pitching. So the other thing, of course, is the OSD and the sort of stuff I want to see afterwards. So at the end of the flight, I'm curious about the battery, of course. I was interested in seeing what the maximum G-force was, since you can do that, so I've got that. Link quality, RSSI means nothing to me, so I've turned that off. Date and time, actually that doesn't work, so I'll turn that off, and I'll save that. Okay, and then I've got timer 1, timer 2. That's the maximum speed. Again, I don't think that'll pick up, but what the heck. Timer is how long the battery's been in. Timer 2, how long it's been armed. And you can see on screen what I have, what I'd like to see. Okay, the other area is the modes, and I've just gone for the basics: arm, angle mode, horizon mode, and air. And down here I seem to have enabled a beeper. I wonder if that works. I don't have the receiver connected, but I don't tend to use that. So just the basics. So that's a quick skip through my Betaflight setting, and on with the next bit.
Telemetry recovered.